Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate my subscribers watching, and if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. Here we have a Turpro 848 48 dip gang programming socket module. These are getting harder and harder to find. A lot of companies still use the System General Turpro 848 programmer. This is more industrial programming in a factory environment than a small shop or something. But I already have the screws out. Let's show you what's under the hood of this thing. There's not much, so be prepared. There you go. These sockets are in pretty decent condition. This unit is on consignment, so I will post a link to the listing in the description. There's not much to these, but this one's in really decent condition. This came from a working environment. Part numbers there. And these are genuine 3M sockets. They are soldered down, but you can still, I believe, get replacement parts, I think. But it would not be that difficult to switch it over to an Aries socket if need be in the future. But this System General equipment, it's aging, so you can get the programmers fairly inexpensive. It's the socket adapters that will set you back a pretty penny, because a lot of them got thrown away or they're just horrible condition. This one is in awesome condition. No evaporated traces. So, I mean, if they do have evaporated traces, usually there's bodge wires all over them. So this one's in really, really nice condition. I'll give you the socket part number there. But I have more System General stuff. I'll be doing teardowns of a few programmers here in the next couple days, or a couple weeks. Just depends on how I can find the time, because YouTube is not my main business. I do chip programming and PCB repair. That's my main business. So, and you know, System General. Look at this. That's metal. So, but these are older, but they're very reliable. So if you do find like a Turpro 848 or a 1, any of the System General equipment, it's really good, reliable equipment. It's just you can't find the adapters. These are very hard to get a hold of. So they fetch a decent amount, but I'm not going to hold this for anybody. If you message me in the comments, I'll refer you to the description for the listing link. So I don't mind offers. So I do always run my listings with best offers. So shoot me an offer if you want it. I'll think about it. Catch y'all later.